Hello YouTube, got a package, so let's get into it. Two boxes. Now let's tear into these. Okay, my fog lights. Okay, now let's open up the other box. And there they are. These are the fog lights I was waiting on. They were out of stock, so finally got them. I'm going to have to put some connectors on it so I can plug it into the harness on the car already. Okay. And here are the mounting brackets. Since I got them out, might as well assemble this and see what it looks like. And here is the mounting bracket put on. Basically, you can slide it back and forth so you can adjust the angle. But that's it. I'm unable to install it today, but hopefully I'll do it in the morning. Until then, I'll see you.